Hey, so quick tutorial here on how to use Zencastr for your next recording, perhaps for your podcast. As you'll see, it's a very simple tool to use, not a lot of features, not a lot of tabs, not a lot of confusing things on their dashboards. So let's just dive into it. Well, of course, the first thing you need to do is create a Zencastr account. Once you've done that, log it into your account and click on Dashboard. Once you get to your dashboard window, you'll see a Create New Episode button. Click on it and name your episode. I'll name mine Test. Click on Create. And it'll take you to what I like to call the recording session dashboard. Again, as you can see, not a lot of features, not a lot of buttons, not a lot of confusing items here. Very simple, very straightforward. So the first thing you need to do is click on Invite and type down your guest's email address and name. You have two options to share your link, your Zencastr link. One would be clicking on Send Invites, and so Zencastr will automatically send your invitation to your guest. And your second option is to click on Copy Invite link, so you can use it on your, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, whatever app you want to use to invite your guest. Once your guest has accepted your invitation, his or her name will show right down below yours right here. One cool thing that Zencastr has is a VoIP option, which makes the communication process even easier. This means that you don't need a third-party program or app to communicate with your guest. You can do that through Zencastr. So once you guys are ready to record, all you need to do is click on Start Recording. So now the recording is in progress. My voice is being recorded here. As you can see, I don't have any guests right now for this tutorial. As soon as you're ready to stop the recording, click on Stop Recording. And again, you and your guest will be able to keep talking to each other without the need to use a third-party program or app. Zencastr will let you know once your tracks have finished uploading. Click on OK, got it. And whenever you're ready to stop the call with your guest, click on Hang Up Call. You'll see that his or her name will disappear from this dashboard, and you'll end up having your audio files down here. So again, for the sake of this tutorial, it was only me doing the recording, so I ended up having only one audio file. You can download it from here. Just click on Download, and it'll ask you where you want to save your file. I'm not going to save mine right now, so click on Cancel. And last thing I wanted to discuss about this recording session dashboard is that you'll have a configuration icon on your top right corner. If you click on it, you'll have your audio settings options here. So input, output, monitor, echo cancellation, which is a very cool feature to have enabled. And again, like I was saying before, the built-in VoIP allows you to use Zencastr as your communication device to be able to speak to your guest before and after you guys record. And so the last thing that I wanted to share with you, if for some reason you didn't download your files from this recording session dashboard, there's actually no need to panic. So to access your files, just click on Test, which is the audio file I did a moment ago, and you'll go back to your recording session window or dashboard, click on Download, and you'll be asked where you want to locate the audio file. So that's pretty much it. One last cool feature that Zencastr offers is the ability to connect your Dropbox account or your Google Drive account to it. So you can store your files in the cloud as well. If you don't want to take up any storage space, you can have your files automatically sent to Dropbox and or Google Drive. Whenever you're ready to delete your file from your dashboard, just click on this kind of recycling bin icon right here. It'll ask you if you're absolutely 100% sure that you want to remove this audio file. And yes, I am in this case, so I'll click on Confirm. So one last thing that I wanted to mention is that if for whatever reason you end up looking at your dashboard and it is completely empty, so no audio files are being shown, no need to panic. The Zencastr people has been kind enough to add this Show Archived button or option. So if you click on it, you'll see that all your audio files or your recordings are being actually stored in your local drive. So, as you can see in this box right here, they're saying your browser storage quota is restricted to roughly 10% of the free disk space on your computer. So, they're actually using your local drive to store backup. So, in case, anything happens, there's very little chance you end up losing your files. I just wanted to share that last piece of information. So, hopefully, you'll find Zencastr a cool addition to your podcast's toolbox. Let me know how it goes. Leave your comments below if you have any extra questions. I'll try to answer them. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching and happy podcasting.